I'm Nelson Rego. I own a laboratory with my brother, Juan Rego, in Santa Fe Springs, California. This is our 39th year of business, and we all started with a concept that we wanted to do the best work we could, work with the best clinicians that we could, and really do something nice and handcrafted. In the 39 years I've been in business, it's really changed significantly. Now with the advent of the mills that we're using today, the PM7 particularly, the kind of finish that we get on margins is like if we had hand waxed it. And I've never had a mill ever do that before. For example, we'd mill something, but we'd have to finish the margins down. Things would chip. It just didn't look as handcrafted as I wanted it to be, and I felt that our quality suffered. And now I'm feeling like the mill's doing everything we want to do in a faster, more efficient manner, and it lets me dedicate 20% of the effort to making the restorations look like a smile designed by Rego restoration, handling the 80% that really is very more mechanical and engineering wise. So it's actually helped our efficiency, and our quality is really looking as fantastic as it ever did. As far as a manufacturer or a partner, you need a partner that, A, of course, has great products, a partner that backs you up when you have an issue, that has great support, that if your mill is down, and mills will go down, that you have an answer, someone who comes out and fixes it. You kind of need to build a team around you of manufacturers that understand what it's like to be a lab. If you wanted to mill something on the weekend, you really could only do one puck and that would be it. With the advent of like the PM7 that has an 8-disc changer, it can mill 8 different products, wet or dry, and it actually self-cleans itself. So you have the benefit of the machine just managing everything it needs to do, and you walk in on Monday and you could have theoretically 24 e.max units, 180 zirconia units, 50 wax units. So you can have a combination of things and overnight as well that you really had no ability to have before. So for any lab that wants to produce restorations when they're not around, you need a machine with a disc changer. So the neat thing about the PM7, well, actually PM1, 3, 5, and 7, is the mill was designed around a product, not a mill adapted to mill or grind a product. And so if you've had a mill that does lithium disilicate particularly, which is very difficult to mill, nothing gives you the fit, the margins that the PM7, 5, 3, or 1 do, because they were designed to mill the product. And that's a very different way of doing things and thinking than the current CAD/CAM milling machines we've had in dentistry. I'm using products and machines that keep my quality at the Rego standard, and that for me has been very gratifying.